Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into the adrenaline-charged world of excavators in action. Get ready for some mind-blowing, pulse-pounding moments. Don't even think about blinking. Let's dig right in. The excavator operator dared to maneuver across perilous loading ramps, but the sheer weight of the machine proved too much. The ramps collapsed, sending everything tumbling to the ground. It was a breathtaking display of risk and consequence. A powerful tractor trailer strained under the immense weight of a container chassis, causing the front end to repeatedly lift off the ground. Wow, what a hazardous sight. As a truck dumped stones from a great height, the falling debris posed a serious threat to the excavators working below. Every onlooker held their breath. A bulldozer tested its mettle in a deep water pit, nearly getting swallowed by the murky depths. Just in time, a nearby excavator rushed in, saving it from disaster. Watch closely as this excavator operator showcases precision and finesse. Using its hydraulic arm, the machine lifts itself up and gracefully rotates its tracks into position, a performance worthy of applause. An excavator sprang into action to rescue a toppled truck, demonstrating the strength and utility of heavy machinery in times of need. The scene was a testament to ingenuity under pressure. In a dangerous moment, an excavator brought down part of a house it was demolishing, only for the collapsing structure to pull the machine precariously along with it. A split-second save avoided catastrophe. These fearless excavator operators worked beneath the concrete framework of a bridge, chipping away at the supports. As chunks of the bridge came crashing down, it left the crowd on edge, fearing the worst. An excavator methodically dismantled a steel bridge, each beam crashing to the ground with deafening force. The risky operation had everyone holding their breath. All eyes were glued to an excavator tearing down a house, the dusty chaos adding a layer of drama to the spectacle. Every strike sent plumes of debris into the air.
Oh no. What is it? No. It's a different address. It's 212 and 214.
A car malfunctioned and its engine erupted into flames. Firefighters battled the blaze as thick smoke billowed skyward, painting a grim yet heroic scene of rescue efforts. Oh no! A truck transporting an excavator misjudged a curve, causing the heavy machine to topple off and crash onto the road below. An excavator climbed a towering mound of dirt, clawing its way to the top to begin its task. Each movement was a test of balance and precision. Disaster struck when an excavator disembarking from a transport truck lost its footing. The track slipped, and the machine plummeted to the ground in a dramatic tumble. As an excavator demolished a massive concrete silo, the structure came crashing down in its direction, narrowly missing the operator. A heart-stopping moment for all. With a single strike, an excavator brought down a large house. The collapse was mesmerizing, each part falling in perfect sequence like a line of dominoes.
Where is all these people?
You alright?
A mobile crane faltered under a heavy load, tipping precariously before toppling over completely. The danger was palpable. Yet another excavator misstepped during unloading, its track sliding, sending it careening onto its side in a scene all too familiar yet no less shocking. Watch as an excavator yanks down a water tower with precision, the towering structure crumpling in an awe-inspiring display of controlled destruction. One more unforgettable sight, an excavator shoving over a towering concrete silo, its final fall a thunderous spectacle. Adding to the drama, a colossal silo met its end with a deafening explosion, a testament to the sheer power of demolition. The cooling tower was reduced to rubble in an earth-shaking explosion. The ground trembled as its mighty form disintegrated. An excavator caught fire, and in a surprising turn, another excavator rushed to the rescue, dumping bucket after bucket of sand onto the flames. A creative firefight like no other. A truck hauled a colossal piece of machinery so massive it dwarfed the vehicle, a load that resembled a towering skyscraper on wheels, truly a sight to behold. A digger sprang to the rescue of a toppled excavator, showcasing the camaraderie of machines when trouble strikes. An excavator got hopelessly stuck in a muddy swamp, but another machine came to its aid, pulling it free from the relentless mire, a display of teamwork in the trenches. This stubborn driver put his trust in what must be the strongest cable ever, holding on through impossible odds as it pulled against the weight of his truck. Here's how excavators get a deep clean. Watch as the powerful machine sprays itself down with water, removing every trace of mud from its rugged exterior. Unbelievable! An excavator operator executed a daring maneuver, crossing an impossible gap onto a ship. Every movement was a gamble with gravity. Two tractors joined forces to pull a stranded companion from the unforgiving swamp. The synchronized effort was nothing short of heroic. Wow! A timber-laden truck skidded and slipped across a treacherously muddy road, yet somehow managed to make it through with grit and determination. wood-splitting machine effortlessly sliced through massive logs with its hydraulic arm and razor-sharp blade. The simplicity and strength of the process were mesmerizing. The saw-quit firewood saw bench roared to life, tackling log after log with precision, an engineering marvel in action. Whitland's Engineering's Log Buster lived up to its name, turning solid wood into kindling with remarkable ease and power, a beast of efficiency.